honestly, I came with my girls, wanna dance by ourselves. Can't you tell? Baby, baby, I have thick skin. Yeah, I don't let things get to me. But do you want me to spell it out for you right now? I'm not feeling your vibe. Crystal clear that you're head over heels, but don't come any closer, my dear. Cause when I get mad, I cannot control what might happen. You think you can put your hands on my body.
Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. It's Gene, aka LS Turbo Integ, and in today's video we are finally going to install these TAKD carbon fiber, full carbon fiber fenders from TAKD Carbon. I actually ordered these through Performance Speed. I'll post a link in the description below. Take a look at these guys. Full carbon fiber. Originally, I was going to order the regular fenders that had the carbon fiber slats, but through a buddy of mine on the forum, his body shop had all kinds of issues with those, so I held off on doing that modification. But I ended up pulling the trigger after over a year of deciding if I wanted to do this upgrade, because I really wanted to do it, because man, every time I see cars with carbon fiber fenders, they look amazing. I've actually had these for quite a while. I've just been too busy doing other things, guys. But take a look at these. And I did mention these are full carbon fiber. Let me put these. So it's just not the outer skin. Alright guys, so it's fully carbon fiber. Like I said, everything is carbon fiber. Okay. So I already got the car lifted. So we're gonna go ahead and get to work on this, guys. I'm not sure how long this will actually take to do, but I just wanted to take you guys on this journey. This is not going to be a DIY on how to remove the front bumper. There's already a couple videos online, but I will go ahead and show some of those clips of me taking the bumper off. Anyways, guys, alright, let's get started.
Let's go. Are you ready? You've been staring since I came in. I know you wanna get to know me. But honestly, I came with my girls, wanna dance by ourselves. Can't you tell? Baby, baby, I have thick skin. Yeah, I don't let things get to me. But do you want me to spell it out for you right now? I'm not feeling your vibe. Crystal clear that you're head over heels, but don't come any closer, my dear. Cause when I get mad, I cannot control what might happen. You think you can put your hands on my body. I'm no damsel in distress. Come too close, I might just lose it. I knock you down like boom, 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 boom. I knock you down like boom, 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 boom. I knock you down like boom, 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 boom. I knock you down like boom, 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 boom. I think you're messing with the wrong girl. I'll bring the thunder, haven't you heard? But honestly, I just wanna dance with my girls here tonight. No man by our sides. Crystal clear that you're head over heels, but don't come any closer, my dear. Cause when I get mad, I cannot control what might happen. You think you can put your hands on my body. I'm no damsel in distress. Come too close, I might just lose it. I knock you down like boom, 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 boom. I knock you down like boom, 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 boom. I knock you down like boom, 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 boom. I knock you down like boom, 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 boom. Boy, you better sit down, you just shut your mouth. Cause I don't need a man to make me feel fine. Better sit down, you just shut your mouth. Yeah. You better sit down, you just shut your mouth. Cause I don't need a man to make me feel fine. Better sit down, you just shut your mouth. Yeah. You think you can put your hands on my body. I'm no damsel in distress. Come too close, I might just lose it. I knock you down like boom, 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 boom. I knock you down like boom, 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 boom. I knock you down like boom, 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 boom. I knock you down like boom, 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 boom.
Guys, we're all done. What do you guys think? This is not a straight bolt-on. I would say I give it an 85% because there was a lot of things I had to modify. I don't want to say a lot of things, but some of the holes had to be opened up a little bit. Things didn't line up perfectly, but you know, that goes with anything with aftermarket. But other than that, the gaps are pretty tight. As you can see, The gaps are pretty tight here on the hood. Everything lines up pretty nicely on the headlights. On this side, fender to hood, all the gap is pretty even. Same thing with the headlight housing. Everything lines up down here on the fenders. And I'm deciding whether to leave this blue or not. Like I said, I have my guy Max from SCM Carbon. I'm gonna have him do the overlays on the slats here, as well as the gas lid. And for those wondering, what do I mean? You guys see the blue carbon fiber on the dorso here? Even on the dash. That's what it'll be. I think it'd be a nice look to it. That way it just kind of pops. And plus when the sun hits it, you guys, just like with that, it really shines or shimmers. But other than that, I was able to get the front bumper back on. This was a long process, you guys. This is something I started mid-morning, and I didn't stop until midnight last night. And the only thing I had left was just to slap the wheels back on. I was just tired after that, so I just said I'd get the wheels put on the next day. But other than that, you guys, I mean, the carbon weave pattern looks amazing. I don't see anything funny going on. Beautiful. What do you guys think? So, which brings me to maybe a carbon fiber hood is next. What do you guys think? And then I'm done. Yeah, right? Who can relate? But as far as for now, I think I'm happy where it's at. A carbon fiber hood would be a nice touch just to finish everything off. I might do that. That might be something down the road. It's nothing now, but look at that, guys. I'll have to, what I'll do is I'm gonna post a picture of when I first got the car. And what it looks like now. I added a lot of carbon fiber aero. Skirt extensions, they're all from TAKD Carbon as well, guys. The Canards are from TAKD Carbon. The diffuser setup is also from TAKD Carbon. The diffuser is pretty insane. Love the design of that triple exhaust or trapezoid setup. Guys, that'll conclude this video. I hope you guys enjoyed that process. Stay tuned to my next videos. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, share, and comment. And I'll see you guys on the next video.